Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the document and locating the page you intend to remove. Once done, open the navigation pane or press Ctrl plus F and jump to the page number. This speeds you straight to the content. Make sure formatting marks are visible so you can see paragraph marks and page or section breaks. Those are often the real cause of blank pages. Now visually inspect whether the page contains text, a manual page break, or just empty paragraphs before you attempt deletion. You will now remove the page's content and structural markers. Use Edit Select Go To, type the page number, pick page and jump to it, then select the content using drag or shift plus click. If the page persists, place the cursor before a page break and press delete. For section breaks, delete carefully because they affect headers and footers. Also inspect tables or anchored objects. These can force a blank page. When you remove breaks and objects, make sure document flow remains correct. Finish by saving your edited file and reviewing the pagination. Once done, use Save As to keep a backup in case you need to revert. Check margins, page size, and any excessive paragraph spacing or final footnote areas that can create an extra page. If a stubborn blank page remains, remove trailing tables or convert the document to plain text, then paste back. This strips hidden formatting. If headers/footers shift after deleting a section break, reapply the correct header, linking to maintain consistent layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.